Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export a video for YouTube. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To export a video going to YouTube from Adobe Premiere Pro, you just have to follow these simple steps. So open your Adobe Premiere Pro and make sure that all the elements are well put together. Right? For example, you have placed the image and the video, and once you're happy with the editing, I want you to go to the file on the top left corner. From there, click the export and click the media. The shortcut is going to be Ctrl+M, or if you're using Mac, press the Command+M. A new window will appear, and for the format, you want to make sure that you are using the H.264, which is one of the best format for YouTube video. Now on the preset, all right, you just have to choose the YouTube video preset if it's available here on the drop down menu. If you don't have it, it's okay. Just go to any of the following, which is you can go for the mobile device 2160p 4K, or to the mobile device 1080p, or you just have to follow the sequence settings of your video. If you don't know the sequence settings of your video, just hover to the source. So in my case, I am using 1920 by 1080, so I can simply go to the 1080, which is high quality, right? And then what will happen is, all you have to do now is click the export button. But before that, you want to make sure to use the maximum render quality, right? And hover down here. Now, there are a few more steps that we could adjust. All right, so for the performance, just leave it as it is. You can use high 10 if you have a 4K or HDR video, but in my case, it's a standard 1080, so I'm just going to leave it as it is for high. And then from here, you can select the high dynamic range if that's HDR. And down here, you want to make sure that you use the VBR2, all right? And then you can max it out until 32, which is the maximum allowed for YouTube. Otherwise, if you increase it until maybe 60, what will happen is YouTube will decompress that, and don't want to do that, right? And from here, all I have to do is click the export button. Now, once you click the render or the export, you know it's encoding, right? It takes a little while. Exporting with the H.264 codec, which is standard for YouTube, ensures that the video maintains good quality while keeping the file size manageable, because YouTube automatically processes H.264 files efficiently, providing faster upload times and minimal quality loss during compression. Now, for the Premiere Pro offers YouTube-specific export presets such as 1080, 4K, which is kind of configured with the optimal settings for YouTube. That is for the newer version of Premiere Pro. In my case, as I've seen earlier, I don't have it, because if you do have that, it eliminates the guesswork in choosing settings, especially if you're not familiar yet with Adobe Premiere Pro. It ensures compatibility with YouTube's recommended standards. YouTube, as you know, has specific recommendations for resolution, bitrate, and frame rate to ensure videos look sharp and play smoothly. Exporting through Premiere Pro with a YouTube presets ensures your video meets these requirements, resulting in better visual quality once uploaded. All right, and once this is done, just have to go to YouTube and upload it to your channel. For example, in our case, I am going to upload the video here in our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.